Hello everyone, thanks for clicking. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this bouncing ball loading page using pure HTML and CSS. So if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get the notification of my new video when I upload it. Alright, so let's get started. So as you can see, this is the bouncing ball loading page. So we are going to create this using HTML and CSS from scratch. So let's do this. So first let me remove all these codes from here, and I'm going to remove the CSS as well. Alright, so I'm going to now, as you can see, I'm going to create this from scratch. So first what I'm going to do, I'm going to work on HTML, then after that I'm going to work on a CSS. The HTML section is really simple, so I'm going to just circle and let's copy this and paste it 3 times. 2, 3. Alright, so after that what I'm going to do, I'm going to create add 3 times more, and here I'm going to change this name, which will be shadow. Copy this and paste it here, and after that at last section I'm going to use a span, and the span, inside the span I'm going to write loading. Alright, so that's it. This is all our HTML section. Now let's jump over to the CSS section. So first I'm going to target the body section, and for body I'm going to margin 0. So I want to remove all default margin and padding from body, and 100% with 100%, and height will be 100 VH. And the background, so for background I'm going to add a background color. So the background color will be and let's add another color. Alright, so that's it for background or body section, and now let's target our wrapper class, and the width will be 200 pixel, height is 60 pixel, and position absolute, not padding, position absolute. Left will be 50% left margin, and top margin will be 50% as well. Alright, so after that let's add transform, translate minus 50 and minus 50. Alright, so now let's work on a circle class. Circle, let's target the circle class, and here first I'm going to add width, which will be 20 pixel, and height will 20 pixel as well. Position will be absolute, and background color I'm going to add white color, and margin left will be 15%, and transform organ, or I think it's pronounced organ, yeah. And now let's add animation. So animation will be circle 0.5 per second, and alternate space alternate infinite is. All right, so that's it for circle section. Now let's work on let's work on the animation section for the bouncing ball. So now let's add keyframe and a circle, and here I'm going to say 0%. It will start from 0, and the top should be 60 pixel, and height will 5 pixel, and a border radius 50 pixel from top, 50 left, 25 pixel by 25 pixel, right. And now let's transform. Scale X, it will be 1.7. And now after that, what I'm going to do for 40%, I'm going to work on another. I'm going to add height. Height will be 20% up from the ground, and border radius 50%, and transform scale again, Scale X, one, and for 100%, just top will be 0. All right, so that's it. And now again I'm going to target the circle colon net child 2, and left 45 pixel, animation delay. It will tell the browser that it is the time it's the time section for ball jumping the ball, or excuse me, bouncing the ball. Again, circle colon net child 3, left auto, and the right will be 15%, and animation delay 0.3 seconds. And now it's time to work on a shadow, the shadow that you see. Alright, so I removed all code. Alright, so I'm going to show that for you. Shadow width. So the shadow's width will be 20 pixel, and the height is 4 pixel. Border radius 50%, and background color is RGBA type, so 0. Alright, this is the background color, and the position will be not padding, position absolute, and the top should be 62 pixel, and transform organ is 50%, and z index -1. Alright, so the left will be 15%, and filter below 1 pixel, using inside 1 px, and animation for shadow. So animation shadow 0.5 per second, alternate infinite. So after that, I'm going to, for saving time, I'm going to copy this from here, copy and paste it here. So here I'm going to, instead of circle, I'm going to use a shadow and 0%, and instead of 0% I'm going to remove all these, and here transform scale X will be 1.5, and for this one remove this as well, and instead of other code I'm going to use opacity 0.7, and here I'm going to copy both of these and paste it here, and scale X will be 0.2, and the opacity will be 0.4. So after that, same as I have did for this section, I'm going to copy this from here, Control C, and paste it here. So instead of circle I'm going to use a shadow, and instead of 2 I'm going to use a 4. Left and animation delay the same, so shadow, and here instead of 3 I'm going to use 5. Lift auto 15%, and everything is same. So now it's time to work on the loading text. So it will be a wrapper span, position absolute, and top should be 75 pixel, and font family, I think I don't have this font family, so I'm going to use inherit, and now font size will be 20 pixel, and letter space 12 pixel, color, and margin from left will be 15%. So that's it, that's all our code. So first let me check, yeah, it's coding. So now let's run this. For running, if you have installed the live server, you can use the live server. First let's start the live server here. So I'm going to use a live server in this for running this code. So as you can see, this is our circle. So it's not circle, it's square. Let me check what's the problem. Did I use the border radius for circle? Let me check. Let's use border. Save this now. Let's check. As you can see, it's working. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoy. If you think you learned something from this video, please hit the like button and subscribe as well, and hit the bell icon so you'll get the notification of our new video when I upload them. And shadow is as you can see, this section of the bouncing ball. There we go. Everything is good to go, and you can get the source code. The link is in the description. You can get the source code as well. So thank you guys, and don't forget to subscribe.